Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving PSAT or NMSQT, that means Preliminary SAT or National Merit Scholarship Qualifying Test, recent past paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of them, please don't hesitate. Please call and WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources will reply to your query. So we are not same like other institution. Here we can provide the solution after detailed analysis of each question. So in PSAT or an MSQD examination, we need to first know the approach of how to solve this question in tricky way. So if you want to take admission from our side, so please don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav Sir Classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number 5. What will we just say? At what values the x do the graphs of y equals to minus 2x plus 1 and y equals to 2x square plus 5x plus 4 will be intersect? How to solve it? The y value to be equal them, and then let's solve. So both equation equal y equals to, so equate this two expression, 2x plus minus 2x plus 1 equals to both values of y, so this will be equal because of both values, both term consist y. Okay, so minus 2x minus 5x, that is 2x square plus 4 minus 1. This one will be interchanged in this side, and this 5x will be interchanged in this side. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Minus 7x equals to 2x square plus 3. So how to solve? So both side changing transposition, 2x square plus 3 equals to minus 7x, and 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. How to solve? How to factorize this term? That means 2x plus 1. Why 2x plus 1? Because this would be represent 7x can be represented as 2x square plus 6x plus this is a 6x plus x plus 3. So 2x, let common 2x, x plus 3, let's common 1, x plus 3. So here take common x plus 3 as common, x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. So what will be the solution here? X plus 3 equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? X here, value of x is minus 3, and here value of x is 2x equals to minus 1, and value of x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus 3 and minus 1 by 2 is the option here. So what will be the correct option here? Correct option is option B. Okay, that's all for today. We will meet you next session soon. Thank you.